Good morning, girls. How are you today? Are you fine? Okay, are you excited to start my own lesson for today? Okay, let's start, girls, together. But before starting, let me ask you about the day and the date. Who can tell me what is the day today? Today is Wednesday. Let's spell the word together. Wednesday. Again, Wednesday. And the date is 21 1 1442 after Hijrah. Again, today is Wednesday, Wednesday, and the date is 21 1 1442 after Hijrah. Okay, today, inshallah, we are going to start taking lesson 3 in unit 1. And as we said before, it's nice to meet you. Page number 6 and 7. Please, girls, open your books on page number 6 and 7 and write the day with the date. Page number 6 and 7 and write the day with the date, please, girls. Hurry up. Hurry up, girls. Write the day with the date, please. In your box. Okay, now let's see. What is the handwriting sentence that I want you to copy in your notebook in the handwriting section? These are my sisters. Their names are Judy and Rose. Again, these are my sisters. Their names are Judy and Rose. Please, girls, copy this sentence in your handwriting section in your notebook. Now, let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today. First of all, let's define together what does a possessive pronoun mean. It is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. Again, please, I want you to memorize this definition. It is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. Okay, what are the personal pronouns? The personal pronouns are mine, his, hers, ours, yours, and theirs. Now, I want you to use here in this exercise my, your, her, our, and their. And as we said before, these are possessive adjectives. Okay? Now, let's see number 1. I have a blouse. I have a blouse. Then blouse is red. Here we have the personal pronoun I. So I should use the possessive adjective my. I have a blouse. My blouse is red. 2. They have a house. Then house is very big. We have the personal pronoun they. What should we use? Their house is very big. Number 3, you have a car. Then car is blue. We have the personal pronoun you. So we should the possessive adjective your. You have a car. Your car is blue. She has a dress. We have the personal pronoun she, so we should use the possessive adjective her. Her dress is beautiful. So, girls, you should memorize this schedule and write it down in your notebook. The personal pronoun I, the possessive adjective mine, the possessive pronoun mine. So, I, my, mine. Here we have she. First of all, number 1, I have a blouse. My blouse is red, right? Now, we have the possessive adjective my. So I should use the possessive pronoun what? Mine. Okay, girls? Now, please, girls, you should memorize this schedule and you should also memorize the definition of a possessive pronoun. Okay, girls? So I, my, mine, she, her, hers, he, has, his, we, our, ours, they, their, theirs, you, your, and yours. Okay? Now, this is my laptop. It is, so we have the possessive adjective my. It is mine, right? Number 2, this is our classroom. It is ours, right? Now, asking using whose and answering using mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs are the names like Sarah's, Amel's, okay, to indicate possession. Whose are these? Here we have 2 pencils. So, whose pencils are these? Here we have a girl, so these are hers because we have a girl, right? Now, here, what is this? Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? Here we have a boy. So, it is his, right? Now, today, inshallah, We will take unit lesson 3. Let's start by saying has and have. We have has and have here. We have has and have. When can I use has and when can I use have? We have she, he, it. And the singular noun like Amal, like Sarah, like Selma. Okay? Singular noun, one name or one noun, girls. We use has. Okay, girls? So, she has, he has, it has. Or let's say Amal has. Okay, girls? Now, like she has a red pen. Here we have she, so I should use has. We have here he has a big room. We have he, so I should use has. Amal has a beautiful doll. So here we have a singular noun, Amal. So Amal has. Now here we have we, I, plural nouns, they and you. Okay? We have I have, we have, you have, they have, and Amal and Sarah have. Okay, girls? Let's see. Here we have I, so I should use have. They, I should use have. They have a big house. You have a cute cat. We have you, so we should use have. Okay, girls? Now, I want you to make sentences using can and can't. Now, I want you to make 3 sentences using can and 3 sentences using can't. So, number 1, using can. I can write my homework. I can swim. I can help my mother. Sentences using can't. I can't fly. I can't draw a beautiful picture. I can't, for example, sleep early today. Okay? Now, please, girls, open your books, page number 6 and 7, and let's listen together. Please, girls, don't forget to write the day with the date. Don't forget to write the day with the date, girls. Hurry up. Open your books, page 6 and 7. Let's listen together.
Rhythms and reading. Exercise 1. Listen, chant, and point.
B. He has a C. She has a Y. If you have a C, an L, an E, then we have all the letters to write bicycle. I have a B. You have an I. He has a C. She has a Y. If you have a C, an L, an E, then we have all the letters to write bicycle. I have a C. You have an O. He has an M. She has a P. If you have U, T, E, R, then we have all the letters to write computer. I have a C. You have an O. He has an M. She has a P. If you have U, T, E, then we have all the letters to write computer.
Okay, girls, now let's see. Here.
Challenge time. Exercise 4. Letter sharing game. Can you write words with your partner?
Let's practice first. Are you ready? Let's start. I have a D, an E, and an S. What about you? I have an R and an S. We can write dress. Can we write hat? I have an H. I have a T. But we don't have an A, so we can't write hat. Okay, good. Let's do it for real.
Okay, girls, please open the activity book and don't forget also to write the day with the date. Sorry, don't forget to write your name and your class. Then choose new words and write the chant again. Chant with a friend. We will chant together in the online life, but I want you to do the same as this song. Okay, girls? Let's see here. I have a B, you have an O, he has an O, she has a K. Then you have all the letters to write book. I have a C, you have an A, he has a T. Then you have all the letters to write cat. Please, girls, you can write this song in your workbook. Now, let's see. Here,
Goal 6. I can choose letters and say which words I can or can't write. 1. Can you write these words with the letters?
okay, class, I want you to find or search for the letters. We have the word where. Search for the letters. The W-H-E-R-E. If you find these letters, so you can write the word where. Okay? Put yes, I can here. Then write yes, I can. If you find all the letters.
Where, whose, live, old, school, listen, play.
Where? W-H-E-R-E. Whose? W-H-O-S-E.
Please, girls, I want you to search for the letters here. Then see if you can write this word or not. Okay? Now, here, read the questions and write your own answer. Can you read English words? Of course, yes, I can. Can you walk to school? Can you or you can't? So, number 3, can you play basketball? Yes, I can. Can you draw? Yes, I can. Can you cook? Yes, I can. Now, please, girls, try to answer these questions using can or can't. You should say, yes, I can, or no, I can't. Okay, girls? This is the end of my own lesson for today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next week.